Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best spot welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, meet the A/Z 9000 with Spot Welder. Power that packs a punch. 100 adjustable gears, like a volume knob for your welding superpowers. Foot pedal or hand trigger. Choose your weapon ninja style. Dual pulse output, double the zap, double the precision. Weld anything from phone batteries to chunky power cells. Intelligent thermal protection, like a built-in babysitter for your welder. Overheat, it shuts down faster than your laptop on 1% battery. Ultra low power consumption, sips energy like a hummingbird, not a hippo. Rotary knob operation, twist, click, weld. So easy, grandma could do it. Clear control panel, no more squinting, just winning. Multi-mode welding, one machine, endless battery possibilities, 30 million plus to switch presses, outlasts your favorite TV remote. Generous gift package, everything but the batteries themselves. Compact, portable, and wrapped up like a present for pros. Perfect for DIYers, repair wizards, and electronics magicians. A/Z 9000, weld smarter, not harder. Your batteries deserve it. Number 4, SEESII Battery Spot Welder. Ever struggled with messy battery pack welds? I used to waste hours fixing weak connections, but then I found the SEESII Battery Spot Welder. This compact machine welds 0.103mm nickel strips easily. Dual pulse output gives strong, clean welds every time. Foot pedal control keeps my hands free and work efficient. The LCD display shows real-time battery voltage, super helpful. Just charge it up, set the gear, and you're ready. Watch this. I press the pedal, red light flashes 3 times. Instantly, the nickel strip is welded, firm and neat. No more guessing power levels, just adjust from 10 to 90 gears. It's lightweight, portable, and fits right on my workbench. Perfect for battery packs, electronics, or even hardware repairs. If you're into DIY or electronics, you'll love this tool. Save time, get pros or results. Give SEESII Spot Welder a try. Number 3, Capacitor Battery Spot Welder. Many believe spot welding is slow and complex. As a battery assembly expert, I've seen common frustrations. Traditional welders often overheat, lack precision, or take ages to set up. But what if you could start welding in just 5 minutes? Introducing the A/Z UF20B Capacitor Battery Spot Welder. This machine supports auto, manual, and foot pedal modes. Switch seamlessly between modes for any project or preference. It's compatible with 18650, Life PO4, and more battery types. Weld nickel, stainless steel, or iron sheets up to 0.4mm thick. The digital controls offer 99 adjustable gears for perfect results. Its 10.5 kW pulse power ensures strong, reliable welds every time. The aluminum alloy shell is safe, flame retardant, and comfortable. Watch as I weld a battery pack, fast, precise, and effortless. Everything you need comes in the box, ready to use out of the gate. For DIYers and pros, the UF20B is the smart choice. Upgrade your battery builds. Click to get your UF20B today. Number 2, meet the Stark USA Portable Spot Welder. Your new metal bonding sidekick delivers a whopping 1.5 kVA input and up to 5500 A output. That's enough juice to weld metal faster than you can say DIY hero. Handles everything from automotive repairs to metal art projects. Got a metal sheet? This welder's got your back, no sweat. Features high quality copper tips. Think superhero capes, but for welders. Copper tips mean less maintenance, more welding, and zero drama. Lightweight and portable. Carry it like a lunchbox. Weld like a pro. Ergonomic lever design. Pull, press, weld. Even grandma could do it. 6-inch throat depth, deep enough for serious metal hugs. Plug and play operation. No rocket science degree required. Perfect for metalworkers, auto pros, and ambitious DIYers. Durable steel construction. This welder survives more than your Monday mornings. Efficient heat dissipation. Keeps cool under pressure, unlike your ex. Get professional grade welds, minus the professional grade headaches. Stark USA Spot Welder, where metal meets its match every single time. Number 1, 14.6 Capacitor Battery Spot Welder. Many believe spot welding is slow and complex. As a battery pack expert, I see common frustrations. Setup delays, weak welds, and limited compatibility waste time. Let's debunk these issues with the A/Z P20B Spot Welder. This machine offers a true 5-minute quick start. Wide voltage input means global use, no adapters needed. Choose between automatic mode or precise foot pedal control. Position your welds perfectly before activating with the pedal. Compatible with 19650, Life PO4, and industrial batteries. It handles nickel, steel, iron, copper, and more materials. 9999 adjustable gears ensure perfect welds for every project. 0.6 kilo power and dual capacitors deliver professional results. Soft, flexible welding leads make operations safe and easy. Everything you need is included, just unbox and start welding. For pros and DIYers, this is the reliable choice. Upgrade your battery builds. Get the A with Z P20B today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.